How to remove a scammer link from a payment request on PayPal. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another video. Today's video is about how you guys can be safe from a scammer link on PayPal. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. First, to remove a scammer link from PayPal account or payment request, let's head over to PayPal first. After you're on your PayPal, log in into your account. So to remove a scammer link from your payment request, do not click the link. That's the main point. If you have a notification about it, you can find the request in your activity center. Head over to activity. And on your activity, you will either need to cancel it or report it. So if you go to your PayPal website, if you find your link right here, if you see the request, simply cancel it or report it. For any suspicious emails with links, you can forward the email to phishing@paypal.com. So let me show you the link. So for any emails with such links, just forward the mail to this address and they will take action against it. And yeah, that's how you remove scammer link. Just cancel the request from here and report it directly through the PayPal website. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.